gabay ng magulang. Dahil yung mga eksenang karahasan, sexual, Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, but before that, please give a big round of applause. Thank you so much, good evening, ladies and gentlemen, but before that, I will give you a chance. Talk. Talk. Sabay-sabay tayo pasalamat sa mahal na ganito. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, but before that, freezer ba kayo? Kasi ipit mo nag-iyano mo eh. But before that, tao ba kayo? Wala? Sigurado ba? Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, my name is Shalari Solidar ang nagsasabing with white and blue, pili na kayo. But before that is not my real name. My name is...
Pasmado!
Ako si Abby Perez ang nagsasabi, kung may problema ka, huwag mong talikuran. Harapin mo, pag-usapan natin yan face to face. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, but before that is not my real name. Ako si Yasmin Pascual Dormido, ang nagasiling kung kaulan man, ako nagatag-iitik, ulit, hindi ko pasigit, yung wala sa magalingon na panahon sa tao matulog sa tao. But before that is not my real name. My name is Chris Icy Araneta, Gonzaga Lacson, Aquino Lopez Yap, Ayala de Subel. But before that, Yaya de Subel. Nickname ko yun. I'm 20 years of age, 3 months, 18 days, 2 hours, 2 minutes, and 1 second. Naiiwan ang katagang T3. Tatlong magkapatid na tolpo, kaya ang ilautot, kinastigo. Bumangga, diba? Kay Geronimo, guba. Tiga ba? Your candidate number 8 is now signing off. Thank you.